Good morning, SHunSHiners and possibly SHunShaders. By some stroke of luck, I don't really know that I'm probably using that phrase incorrectly. By dumb luck of some sort, yesterday's vlog uploaded on the 10th. I don't know how it happened. So, yeah, I'm gonna get ready to go volunteer at the Winter Color Guard and Percussion Ensemble show. Well, that was fun. I just finished leading every little high school's color guard to where they need to go, and I believe they're performing now. I don't know. What? What are you looking at? What? Well, I just led Portsmouth Percussion Ensemble to where they needed to go, and now I'm going to go watch Dover perform. Well, I just saw the Dover show. It's pretty good. There's this little girl who was like wandering over by the percussion the whole time, and eventually they actually got it back to her mom. But it was kind of funny. Like the percussion, the ensemble ready to start, and then they had to get the girl away, and then like, okay, now while laughing, is the percussion ensemble ready to start? And they start playing, and the girl walks back over. It was funny.
Overlooks over there with color guard.
No, because they don't see the front. Just have to find where the
I actually didn't. I haven't been before.
Whose band has two like tractor trailer trucks? Is it Dartmouth, Mass?
Dartmouth. Yeah.
Dartmouth.
What band was that?
That was Dartmouth.
Okay, I'm starting to think that the button on the back of this camera is losing its sensitivity because I keep pushing it and nothing, it doesn't start recording. And then it starts recording when I hit to end the clip. Anyways, that was what band was that again?
That was Dartmouth.
That was Dartmouth. It's like an international marching percussion ensemble. And I kind of came in the middle of that because I was watching it and like, wow, this is amazing. I have to get this on film. So I hope this clip is recorded. So I'm looking through a bunch of old photos for my genealogy project, and I found this one of my grandmother. She's the one in the
girl.
White. Yeah. My grandmother when she was a little kid. Let's see what else is there. There is my mom at graduation. Yes, I am showing these pictures online. My mom at her prom. No, that is not my dad. Let's see. Who is this really old one, Mom?
Turn it around. That is my mother's father.
Okay, so this is my grandmother's father. See what else is there. Anything interesting? I'll get back to you if I find something interesting. Okay, this picture I'm about to show you is probably one of the funniest pictures we've ever taken of my brother. It was before I was born, right?
Yes. Look at how old he is. Yes.
Basically, my parents put him up on the shelf with a bunch of other stuffed animals, and it's just really, really funny and adorable and such. Yep, the one that's not an animal of any sort is my brother, which could be any of them because that's actually not. That's not the Cookie Monster isn't really an animal. I'm kidding. That one right there, that's my brother. Well, that was interesting. Found some old photos, and I'm going to include them in my genealogy project. And they're going to make the genealogy project all that more better. And, I made a word. Better is not a word. So, what's happening with the photos? Are you scanning them?
I'm going to scan it. There's something wrong with the printer.
Oh.
I'm going to have to delete this print job. I don't know why.
So, I thought that this evening all I would be doing was taping on my family members to the poster board that I got at Staples and connect them with lines to look like a family tree, write maybe the stock family tree or something on it, and be done with it. But turns out that I needed to, my parents thought I did, well, it's a good idea. That I needed all the people that their siblings married and their siblings' kids, so my cousins, and I had a few people on my mom's father's side I needed to attend to, and so it's turned into a very, 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 very stressful and hard process of finding out how to fit all those people onto the poster board now. And it is according to the clock in the kitchen, which is, I think, about 10 minutes fast. 10:41. It's gonna be a long night. I is tired.
Alright, which one do you want?
What? Let me see.
Enough?
This one.
So cut out each word separately and
Yeah.
put them along the line?
Yes. Okay, well, we finally...
Take your phone and plug it in.
Okay, we finally finished the genealogy project. It took way, way, way longer than I thought that would. I thought yesterday I would just be gluing on the stuff in the evening of today and just be done with it. But no, there was so much more that I didn't think about that had to be done. But now I'm going to bed. Good night, whoever's watching this. See you tomorrow. I won't see you, but you will see me. Awkward cut to outro.
There's a vlog on the web featuring Ben Stock that he shoots every day as he walks and talks. If you're Bigfoot in the woods or producers in LA, you should stop all your shit and watch SHunSHineSHate. 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 Has nothing to do with Florida, but it's great. If you can't wait, don't get irate. Just stay in your sheet, cause it's SHunShineShate.
I won't see you, you will see me.